and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I will take you on a quick tutorial on how to include your tax charges on the Makesales platform. Now, the first thing will be to log into your account, and on the left-hand side of your screen, you navigate to your settings button. Once you click on it, you scroll down to your tax button, and then you click on it. When the page is displayed, if you have included a tax before, you get to see it here, just like we have here. But for this tutorial, we're adding a new tax. So you click on the Add Tax button by the right-hand side of your screen. And when the mini page is displayed like this, you get to include the tax name and the tax percentage. So for the particular products that you're selling, let's say the product you're selling comes with a particular tax, you could put a tax name. Then you could include the percentage. Once you click on that and confirm that all informations are correct, you can click on the Add Tax button. And it gets to appear on your screen just as it's displayed. And if you would like to edit it, you can click on the Edit button by the right hand side of your screen to make necessary corrections that you would like to do it. And also to check for the status of that particular tax that you included. You can see it over here displayed. If you would like to make it inactive, all you need to do is to click on the Inactive button and it would record that. So once you are done and you see that all the informations are correct, you can click on the update button. That is when you are making your corrections. So that is how easy it is to include your tax values on the Mixes platform. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.